kuwakaribisha ikiwa na pamoja na His Excellency the former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Jamani, tuweze kuwakaribisha wageni wetu, kiongozi wa DAP Kenya, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa.
Kalonzo is here too. I think the Wiper Party members held him. So there goes. There are all the leaders.
PLP! Basi naomba tutulie tunaposalia kusimama, tutakuwa na njia ya maombi. Ikiwa tutauimba wimbo wa taifa na ule wa Jumuiya ya Mashariki, ikiwa basi nyimbo hizo za taifa zitakuwa vile vile ni maombi yetu ya siku ya leo. Studio unapojiandaa, naomba sote tuweze kutulia kwa heshima, tuweze kucheza nyimbo za taifa. Studio. Asanteni sana, basi naomba sote tuweze kuketi. Party Leader, People's Liberation Party, PLP, Her Excellency Senior Counsel Mother Karua, the Second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the 10th Vice President and Wiper Party Leader, His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo, Party Leader, Democratic Action Party DAP Kenya, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, Safina Party Leader Jimmy Wanjigi, Presidential Candidate Dr. Mohisa Kitui, all party leaders present, the Advocate of the High Court of Uganda, who is also the lead counsel representing Dr. Kiza Besige in the ongoing matter in Kampala, Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago, and kiongozi wa chama cha ACT Wazalendo kutoka Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania, Dorothy Semu, all the members of parliament present from the National Assembly as well as from the Senate, together and inclusive of Honorable Mbui, the Deputy Minority Leader, Mheshimiwa Jane Kihara, Mheshimiwa Amos Mwago, Mheshimiwa Honorable Mawade, Mheshimiwa Honorable Susan from Kiambaa, Senator Karungo Wadhanwa, Senator John Medho, Honorable Kagusha from Mukurene, Honorable Njeri Maina, Honorable Ngogoya from Kajiado County, Honorable Jude Njomo, Honorable Munyaka, and Honorable Ngunjiri. Ladies and gentlemen, Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, welcome to the launch of the People's Liberation Party, PLP. As we settle down and welcome you to take your seats, we wish to formally and officially start today's event. Now, when the Constitution Review Bill was presented in Parliament in the year 2021, at the floor of the House, all members of Parliament who were in the opposition walked out. The Constitutional Review Bill was so controversial, the entire civil society was also opposed to it. But as all the members from the opposition walked out, all but one was left. It was none other but Her Excellency, the Senior Counsel, Mother Karua, who was left behind because she thought it wise to have her objections recorded in the Hansard. This is not an isolated case of principle or accountability, but a tested and proven record of a leader who is willing to put herself over and above for her people and for her country. That not being an isolated case when she also forego her position, which was an assured seat for her Gachagua parliamentary seat, to offer her skill set for the highest position and office in this country, the presidency. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the qualities that we must demand of our leaders, the qualities that have indeed been the driving force of the political party, NARC Kenya. And these are also the virtues indeed we deserve and desire of our leaders. And as such, as we unveil today's party, we must seek to enjoy peace, liberty, and to ensure we find plenty within our borders, as our national anthem has prescribed. Your Excellency, sema PLP, jamani tunajibu vipi ikiwa ni kauli mbiu na mwito wetu? PLP! 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 Asanteni sana. Na kwa wale wote ambao wanaweza kuwa wanatuwatch live kupitia mitandao na runinga zetu, ni kuwakumbusha tu tovuti ama website yetu ni www.plp.com. Unapofika pale unaweza kuchukua ile nafasi ili kujisajili as a member of the People's Liberation Party, PLP. Kumbuka kwamba tovuti ama website yetu ni www.plp.com. Na kumbuka kwamba tupo live on all our social media platforms, na tutakuwa live vile vile kwa X ama formerly Twitter, YouTube na Facebook, ikiwa ni mitandao ya chama cha PLP. Now also on the party leader social media platforms, we are also live. Your Excellencies, most humbly, I kindly request at this juncture, if I may invite the PLP Secretary General, Asher Bashir, for the welcoming remarks and to also introduce the party officials and memberships. Asher Bashir, you may take the floor. Welcome, SG.